So today we're doing a little bit of welding on this here old Johnny Snowblade. Short story, a guy gave this to me and it needed a lot of work. I have the mounting bracket that goes in here that actually mounts on the tractor. Now the problem was it was angled over to here, but so y'all can see a little better, it was angled so it was hitting the middle, and that wasn't going to work. So I kept trying to get it apart, wouldn't work. Tried putting a lot of PB into it, that wouldn't work. I mean, I tried a lot of different things. So what I ended up doing was pulling the pin out so that I could get in and try to rip it off, and that actually worked. The only disadvantage is there's this plate right here. And this is not the actual hole that you need. The hole that you need is behind this, like this. So this is where the pin comes through. This, on the other hand, is here. I'm going to say generally kind of just a thing that's there. And I guess in case you want to run the pin through here, or it hits that, something like that, or just to help you get it out somehow. But anyway, what I ended up doing was taking the plasma cutter, and then I had to cut around here and up around here. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing all straightened out where I want her. And then what we're going to do is, the plan here is to get this welded up back into place. Now we're going to be using the Hobart Auto Arc Toolmate 100, and we're going to be welding it more like tack welding it, and then I'm going to get the Hobart Stickmate LX, and what we're going to do is we're going to stick weld down to here and along the top. Now note, I'm not really good at stick welding still. I've actually had the machine for close to about a year now, maybe a little longer. But I do not use it on a daily basis. Actually, I've not started it up in a while, so it's going to be the first time running for this since, I'm going to say first time this year actually using it. And let's just see how it goes. So, like I said, the plan is I'm going to wire weld to tack it into place. And I actually could just wire weld everything because this is not going to be holding any actual strength, but we'll see what it does with the wire welder. If it does work good enough, then I'm just going to wire weld the entire thing, but if not, then I am going to end up using the stick welder. But there's a chance we won't have to, but let's just see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and tack this into place after I set the camera so y'all can see a little better, and we're going to get to it. As you can tell, I had a little accident with it trying to get everything set right, but I think I got everything set up right, and we're going to go ahead and try it. So let's see what happens. Alright, so I don't know if y'all can see it from the camera. For one, this thing is very hot right now. But up along the top, I want to do one more run. Because like I said, to make the welds look better and to fill in some of these gaps from where the plasma cutter was working. Down here, there is a little bit of a dent right here. I'll show y'all a close-up in a couple minutes. But other than that, everything has went pretty well in my opinion. I actually surprised myself. I didn't think I was going to do that good with the welder. So yeah, I'm going to turn the machine back on, zoom you all back in, and we're going to hop to it. Alright, so I do apologize for that. You didn't get to see the last part. My camera ended up, the batteries died in, so I'm going to try and rush the rest of this video. But these are the welds we ended up with here. Now, they're not the best. I can't really see them too well. But that's roughly what it's going to look like. But trust me when I say I believe these welds are going to be very tough and durable. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad. And the reason a lot of you all going to look at that and like, I could have done better than that probably. Yeah, I know, but here's the thing. One, I'm not a professional welder, and I'll admit that. Second, I have not used that stick welder since last year. So, it's been a while, and I wasn't really good when I quit using it to begin with. In all honesty, I don't think I did half bad. Actually, no, I did use it this year once for a small project, and I did good with that. But, partially, too, you gotta remember the way you angle it and stuff. But, yeah, I'm gonna say it's not bad, especially for someone who is just doing it at home for themselves. So, hope you enjoyed this little welding video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below what you thought of my weld, and I'll see you next time. Alright, thanks for watching.